guys, we have a Stargazer Premium GSL.
So guys, let's go under the bonnet. Smart Stream G 1.5 engine, 4097cc, 115 PS, and 14.7 kg of torque. Intelligent variable transmission. Infotainment, 8 touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB Bluetooth, and 4 speaker plus 2 tweeters. And ito naman po yung sa aircon niya. And tray for wireless charging cellphone comes with cooling function na siya. And dito naman po marami po kayong pwedeng ilagay. Ayan, ang dami nyo pong pwedeng paglagyan kasi sobrang spacious po niya. And ito naman po yung gear shifter niya. And ito din po yung console box niya. At dito po sa second row, meron po siyang tray na pwede nyo pong paglagyan ng cellphone. At syempre, pwede nyo rin pong ibabato para kung gusto nyo pong mag-relax. At maging komportable din po kayo. So guys, I'll show you naman kung gaano siya ka-spacious with legroom and headroom space. And guys, if you want naman more cargo space, then worry no more. Because the second and third row can be folded flat to cater more space for cargo loading. And dito naman guys, meron din siyang lagayan at pwede nyo rin po siyang paglagyan kung ano man ang pwede nyong ilagay. And guys, meron na rin po siyang 12V socket kung saan pwede po kayong mag-charge ng mga cellphone nyo. And a standout MPB with its 16 alloy 2-tone tire. So guys, what are you waiting for? For more info and reservation guys, just PM me on my Viber or my Facebook page. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye!